Hey guys, welcome back to another not Minecraft video. Today we're playing some that could be a new video. If you like the video, we're playing Turbo Dismount. So we have it right here, and we're gonna play Hornet's Nest right now. So I heard the game is like Turbo Pass. Let me see here. Probably not. Probably. Okay. Whoa. So yeah, that's my skin I made, and then I heard this game you're supposed to crush and get your high score. I played this map once, that's probably why there's turbos. But that was like last night, so. Oh, here they come. Here they go! Oh my. See that one? Not flying. Alright. Let's use a different map. Let's look on. The Sudoodoo. See the T junction. Yeah, I played this game before, guys, but it's on my tablet, and I'm logged into my tablet. So, let's play this one. The squash. Let's go! Oh! Oh my gosh. Boom! Slow. Backwards. Make it go slow-mo. Oh, that was cool. Anyway, let's play. Or backwards. Let's do a different video. Vehicle. What's this? Oh, is that a bear trap? Oh my god. Oh, bye. Have a great day. Oh, look at the car. It's gone flying. Is he going in the wall? Whoa. Oh, did you see how many things popped up over? Oh, there's the car. Let me see that from a different angle. This is the cop car behind us. I want to see what happens with the cop car. Is there a free mode? Yep, there is. There it is. Boom. Just rewatch that. I even noticed there's a wall there. Okay. So we come and we fly. Where are we? Over there. Boom. What's this cop car do? Where's the cop car? Oh, it's already down there, so let's watch from this angle. Let's watch right here. That's the one that went flying and then went down there. So, let's watch that again. So we go, and then we fly. It's this one that flies, and then we... Huh, that's cool. Alright, let's do this again. Let's do an obstacle. Instead of this, we're going to do a twist left. Alright, go. There we go. There we go. Come on, twist to the left. Oh, side flip. And over there we go. And that cop car is so dumb that he's gonna go down there. No offense to cops, they're actually pretty smart, but that one was kind of dumb. But this is a game, so. Whoa, what happened? Oh, no way. That was cool. Whoa! So we're trying to go that way, so if we put an obstacle like a wall right here. For obstacles. Nope, obstacles. Then we put a mega wall here. Yeah. And then we can move. Whoa. What is this? I don't know what that is, guys. It's these random things that pop up. So I want that. Can we? Oh, we move it aside. Can we? We can bring it over here. Perfect. And let's bring another one. No. Let's bring. We'll just go on a slow car. We'll on the wedge, but we're gonna go very slow. But the cops might actually catch up to me. Oh no! Wait. Okay, is that wall still there? Perfect. That's good. That's good. Oh no! That's kind of fast. Oh, we cannot get past that. Okay, I got an idea. So we're gonna go to obstacles and we're gonna. What happened? Okay. Oh, what's going on? So if we do this, and then we do just quarter pipe. Perfect. There you go. Come on, be faster than the cop. Be faster than the cop. Ah, darn it. That was kind of close. Alright, let's try this one more time. We'll go a little faster. Okay, that's good. Let's go. Don't run into the bus. Thank you. So good. So go. Good. Land it. Oh, jeez. Okay, I got an idea. So, if we take this, let's just do the turbo pad, and then shift, bring it. We just bring it like over here on top of this, so let's go out, and then okay, so then we delete this to this to this to this. I want to move these though. A loot box. What is that? Alright, so this one, see what happens. Oh, it's a box that it took it out. Oh my gosh! See how big that came in? Watch this, watch. It just threw stuff. So we'll go 1.16, which is slowest. Watch the car as it just obliterates. That guy's just like chilling, just like, yeah, nothing bad will go wrong. Nothing's gonna go bad wrong. It's a giant boom! Oh my gosh! He goes flying, and the loot box goes flying. That's where the police guy comes in. That guy's coming in. Their sirens are on. There's that guy, and that guy pushes that guy, I think, down there. Or that, let's see. Something bad happens to this cop right now. I think he falls down here. Yeah, it falls down there. Yeah, and then this guy's the one that just jumps off. These two fall off. This one just jumps off for no reason. This one actually comes in, goes off the ramp. So, okay, this is too slow. So yeah, then this one starts to flip because he hit something. He's like flying in the air. And then there goes my car still flying down there. Then he hits that. Does like a cartwheel thing. Hits that. And that was so cool. Okay, let's do that back. Just watch it. All the way back. Just watch it. Boom! Boom! Oh my, okay. That was crazy. Okay, so let's do the let's do first person camera. Let's go! You guys can't catch me. Ouch, ouch. Ow. Ow. That really hurt. Okay, let's watch this one. So I actually didn't know what it looked like because I was facing the camera. Boom. Oh my god. That was sliding on its thing, like. Alright. What's a leaderboard? It's me with 3 million. No way. That's not true, is it? Is that me? I don't know if that was me. Go, go, go! And it hits the knocker, and then I'm gonna get smushed into the. Oh wow, I barely almost touched the wall. Oh. Oh. Okay, now we're gonna try the old creek. The old creek. Oh, it's like one of those little trains. He's gonna catch up. Boom! Thanks for the push, by the way. Yeah, that didn't go too well. Oh my god. Oh! Look at it. Oh my god. That's crazy. Very crazy. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the post notifications to hear when I upload videos. Also, hit the like button if you want to see more of Turbo Dismount. But I will see you all tomorrow. Goodbye, everybody.